The data signal flows through the printed circuit board to each element of the electronic system, where connectors make the essential interconnections. The plated finish on each connector pin is determined by the circuit requirements and operating environment. High data rate board-to-board connectors are highly dense with fine pitch pins. These require low and stable contact resistance. Automotive and datacom press-fit connectors require low insertion force and low whisker risk. Nickel BF100 nickel provides a barrier layer with high productivity and high corrosion protection. It reduces the gold layer by 30% compared to traditional nickel deposits. Solderon ST400 tin reduces whisker risk and improves productivity by 50%. Silveron GT210 silver provides exceptional wear performance with low contact resistance.